That's how the Bangkok weather looks like. And here, do not disturb sign लग गया. Let's go now. आज हम Bangkok में. So there are a lot of places we're going to visit. Bangkok is famous for its shopping, for its streets, for its parties, and many other weird stuff. That's all how the lobby looks like. It's not a bad weather. Usually Bangkok में ये होता है कि it's always raining. The weather is always rain or humid, but today the weather is really nice. Alright, let's give it a try. We're gonna try this V60. They have all this coffee pods and everything. So we'll give it a try. And I've taken this one. Let's go. Here we go. Try this one. 155, yeah? V60 pods. It's basically a filter, and then you will have this hot water pouring over on the top.
แพงจ้ะว่าอะไรอยู่เผื่อละอันนี้ก็พอ
So I tried the same coffee in the Yas Mall in Abu Dhabi, and obviously when it's made fresh, it tastes completely different. Very nice, looks good. So they get to smell this. That coffee itself tastes really nice when it's freshly brewed. So let's see how it goes. We'll give it a try. I just woke up and just need the coffee to wake up. So there you go. So I asked her before I started filming this coffee if it's okay with her, and she was absolutely fine. They basically newly opened this place, and they said it's absolutely okay if you want to film this and record this for them to do this. Bangkok is really famous for all this new innovative ideas. You know, it's a modern city, it's a tourist city. So every new concept that comes into this world has to come from Dubai, and then followed by Bangkok, and then London. You know, all these tourist places, they always come with its new and innovative ideas. So this is good. The coffee started dripping down. She will keep on pouring water from the top, and then that basically starts a brewing process from the filter itself. He's doing some using those coffee beans that he brewed, and he's doing those espresso shots over there. Thank you very much.
ขอบคุณค่ะ thank you
Thank you. So that's how it looks like. We'll give it a try. We'll give you this traditional cup. That's see the aroma, the smell of the coffee is completely different than what you know usually drink from the filtered coffee. Very nice. Doesn't start raining. I don't have any umbrella and I don't have proper clothes as well. So the forecast is okay so far. Let's see. Yeah, the streets of Bangkok. Usually the traffic is crazy over here. Even these are the small streets, but it was blocked, just a block away. This is how the vehicles are fined for the wrong parking. So you have the ticket on the top. So it's been a while. I took a limousine taxi. In Bangkok is quite cheap if you want to ride an Uber. Even the Bolt works here. So today I ordered a premium taxi. Let's see. Shall we? Okay. Okay. Traffic can be crazy in Bangkok at this evening especially. So if you're taking a taxi, wherever you want to go, I don't think you can reach. The best option for you is to basically get this bike and then at least they have this small ways that they can go across. And especially the weather is nice, so it's not humid, it's not sunny. So, it's perfect for you to ride. The only thing is that probably the safety that you're riding on it and there's no balcony or anything, but if you're used to and comfortable, then yeah, go ahead. Okay, thank you. Dropped off here, and that's basically the market I wanted to come. It's in Pratunam. The place is good for shopping. You got all this. I must say the fake branded clothes. You got some nice t-shirts, bags, shoes. So we'll go through this market. Let's see what we have to buy from here. A lot of weird stuff is going around, so mangoes. It's the best mangoes that you. Let's try some coconut. She has this fresh, ice cold coconut. So I was a bit thirsty. Wanted to give it a try. Thank you. 40 bucks, right? Okay. Very nice. Super cold. Trust me, when you're walking for a long time, it's a good to try. Another Platinum Mall Market. That is also quite huge, quite big, it's quite long. So we'll go through here. Let's see what we can find. Got all this variety of food. So every basically feel like you have some barbecue, you got some grills. My favorite places. We are a fan of fresh seafood. This is the best. That's what it is. Hello, Swadika. Pretty crowded. It's like there's no tomorrow here. So the mall is basically divided into different floors. Most of them are dedicated for women clothing, as you can see all around. It's quite crowded. I think it's quite famous for the people coming for shopping. Hello. Started to try their coconut ice cream. That's how it should look like actually. So it's okay. So let's give it a try for the coconut ice cream. Even though I'm on diet, but yeah, coconut ice cream has always its exception. No, it's nice, but the one I tried in Kuala Lumpur, that still stays the best. Quite a lot. It's a big portion. I don't think I'll be able to finish that. We'll go to another night market. It's called Chatuchak. My deposit is here again. This Tuk Tuk ride is amazing. I tried it last time. It's quite nice, fresh. They have their own music inside. It's quite fast. Another market that we are at. That's Chatuchak. It's quite lively as well. A lot of people all around. This market is open until midnight. So I don't see it's all completely open because it's called a weekend market. So it's most probably gonna be open by tomorrow onwards. From Saturday, today is Friday. And yeah, maybe I'll come back again tomorrow if I have time. But so far it looks good. A lot of clothing shops as usual. So let's go explore. We'll go see what to buy. It looks cool though. You look at this. It's quite cheap. This is about Bangkok. So everything that you see is not that heavily priced, but it's just depends what stuff you like. For me, I don't like anything with this polyester and stuff. I don't feel comfortable wearing that. That's look at those handmade bags. Look at this beautiful light. That's enough. It's enough. Thank you so much. Thank you. I took the one with the lychee and watermelon. It's actually quite a nice combination. I felt like it's gonna be weird. It can actually turn out to be really nice. Okay, let's go now. I have to take a ride back to the hotel. I don't have any internet anymore. So let's see if this tuk tuk guy is willing to